Oh, weird. Okay, whatever. Okay, me and him are playing dominoes. He's just playing around.
Oh wait, I can't say that.
What else is playing, huh? Tell me.
I can't say that.
Say it.
Which one's more boss? It's obviously the big fat cat. He's the most
cat.
He's the most MLG one here, huh?
Yeah, but you
Like this one's lame, huh?
put tails. Do tails.
Bro, all of them are lame. This is the best one, huh?
But he can't put it.
MLG, huh?
Okay, come on, move on. Oh no, it's my
I'm
turn.
gonna go with the MLG guy.
Azul, 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 azul.
No, I don't want to piss.
Really?
Sonic swallows me.
Okay, so go. Really, a green? Do I have any greens? Oh yeah. I do.
I don't want to be Sonic.
Stop doing that. You can't just randomly do that. It's only when you don't have the certain
I
card.
don't have it.
The a light red.
Okay, now I have that.
You're dumb. Mickey's just drawing cards. That's not gonna let him
I didn't
win.
have any green. That's
You're not supposed to do that. You put the green.
I didn't put the green. I put this one.
Hey,
Maybe put that one.
Mickey,
then
you
put
want
that
to
one.
race after this match?
Yeah, let's race. Yeah.
Okay. This. Okay, do we have any of those? Wait. Let me be strategized. Okay.
Oh my god, I have to pick the worst character.
Oh no, I can't do that.
Listen to his
Wait.
voice.
We don't have any of those blanks.
The graphics on this game. What?
Okay, I drew with this and it worked.
You heard
We drew that card and we went. Okay,
his
her.
voice. Look, just listen to it.
The graphics on that game, bro.
These are
It's like GTA 2.
It came out with GTA 3 on the game.
I have the double 6 card, dude. Like
This is
the
capable
double.
of running.
I got the double 6 card without cheating. Okay. Okay, hurry up, Nick. I'm gonna call you Nick, okay? I'm gonna call you Mick. Okay, hurry up, Mick.
No, only his friends are gonna call him Mick.
It's the other way, Mick. Okay. Do we have a
At least
radio?
she didn't call him something.
Do you have a green now?
I'm not gonna say it or else she's gonna say it. Fine, I'll tell you in your ear.
Mikhail?
No,
whatever.
voice. Look, this is like the worst voice in video game history.
Okay, here.
You heard that? Oh yeah, this could be fun.
Oh, I got that on camera.
Everyone on YouTube, Sonic Swallows. Rage in the comments like 7-year-olds. Yeah, please do it.
Okay, whatever.
Then why are you playing a game for Sonic?
No, because I'm the only person. Because this is the only person I can choose. I couldn't choose the MLG cat mate.
Why?
I don't know. It didn't want to let me.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Did I pick them perfectly?
Yeah, I
right
put the
last
blue.
time? Oh no, bro! Why you gotta be up there, mate? It's not fair.
You are not winning this.
I'm so waiting.
Okay, we got the blue. We got the blue to match it.
I got the
Yeah, nobody is creeped out by some blue hedgehog
Okay,
running around.
so-
But they're creeped out about a blue.
Oh gosh, it fell.
They're freaked out about a blue what?
I said, okay, they're creeped out by this alien made of water and not creeped out by a talking blue hedgehog that runs.
Oh, no, that's perfect.
That's
Everyone,
normal.
you see that everywhere.
Everyone sees talking blue hedgehogs that run faster than sound. Like, it's perfectly normal.
Look, there's one right here.
Yeah, look, there's one right there.
No.
A big blue hairy hedgehog. Oh my god, his voice! I quit in this game. I quit this game.
I'll play for you.
No, I'm alright. I'm okay.
Am I right then?
I'm alright. I'm alright.
Okay, come on, let's do
I
this.
got the perfect skate.
Mickey,
too.
I put that one.
Bro, my sister's totally gonna beat me.
No, I only have one left.
No, you don't, you liar. Okay.
Oh my
Last
god,
three.
look at this graphic game. This looks like
There better be red. God damn,
this
there's no
looks
more
like
red.
something a 2-year-old
There's-
would draw me.
There's no more red.
That's it. It looks like something a
Go.
2-year-old would draw.
Go.
For the crash. Oh my god. Totally.
Hurry up.
Hey, did you hear his scream? He went, ah.
You have to put that card down that you just took out.
Is that supposed to be a shrub?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a shrub scrub.
You better have some greens. I mean, like,
Oh my god, look.
die,
Hey,
mate.
Mickey.
Like, die.
Mickey, look. Mickey. Look at this. What just happened? My game just crashed.
Huh?
Go.
Yeah, my game just crashed. That's a neck. Why did my game crash? Oh no, it didn't.
You're a classmate.
It's just that this console is so bad it takes forever to load. And a black screen, not a loading screen. Just a black screen. Best loading screen ever, 1215.
Go. You better go again. Like, you better have a blue.
Last car, I win.
Bro,
Yeah.
this totally shows how
Wait, if you didn't have that, I would have won.
Jonathan, I won. I beat her.
Hey, are you impressed on how fast Sonic can run?
Oh my god, so fast.
It's totally faster than the speed of sound, huh?
It's so
My
fast.
grandma couldn't run faster than this. If I had one.
Oh, you do have
What was
one.
that made?
It was your butt.
Oh, you saw that trick shot me?
No.
Those are terrible, bro.
Oh my god. You can't handle my MLGness, bro.
And you can't go backwards?
I'm trying to hit that and then it just...
I hit that.
You can't hit
Look,
that.
look. This is totally faster than the speed of sound. I'm still seeing him. So fast, bro. Too fast
Did
for
you just
me.
see tails right there?
No, it's some hobo, I think.
Why is he laying on a dog?
That's a name!
The sound that he made, he was like, no!
Look. Look at this. This is one of the, what the, sabotage!
Jonathan, you gotta, because you used to run like that. You run like that for a period of time.
No, I run like this. There we go.
Yeah, I know, that's why you ran like that for a period of time.
I still do it, mate.
It's stupid! It's not even aerodynamic.
It is. It's been proven aerodynamic. What am I doing here? What am I doing with my life playing this game?
Still, you just look stupid. That looks like a cutscene.
For reals, mate. Like, oh yeah, this is happening. Oh yeah.
Since when did he start saying mate? Since he saw big grade in there, eh?
No.
Yes.
Why'd you get this?
Oh, honor roll.